This is in memory of our lordful friend, Gabe. He died on his journey in finding the chicken wolf. My name is Bartholomew, the great explorer, and the indisputable. This here is, yeah, that's Doug, our trapper. And the cameraman here, they're very kind, and her name is Shaniqua, and she has offered to risk her life for the exploration of the chicken wolf. Let's hunt. They say he prowls near our house, and with my beautiful sword expertise in parkour magic, we should be able to find him. This is why we wear helmets, kids.
Good family.
I can swear, it's right there. Wait! Oh, Bruno! So, wait. I'm sensing something. He's invisible. We got goggles on.
I got the goggles.
It's time for a trap. His favorite snack, green apple oatmeal. If it's not green apple, it won't work. Make a nice little
I'm
trail.
actually hungry right now. Can I eat some? Is it good?
This is the most important part.
Wait, I want some. Ew. What is that?
The most valuable. Wait. Slap that puppy back on there. You're gonna want to get this. This is key importance in finding them.
That should be good.
Onward.
Okay.
We have to go into the deep dark woods.
Okay, now that we have our goggles on.
Can't even see.
Yo, get back here! This is serious!
Come on! Can't even see him on the camera. Good job. Oh. What are you hearing? Where's he? Doug. Oh. I didn't know where he is. I don't have the goggles.
Okay, he's on for now. That was a close one. He's out here. I have to set up my traps. No one can see what's in here. What is it? The secret recipe
Should I turn the camera
for
away?
finding the chicken.
Should I turn the camera away? Can I turn the camera? Okay, okay. What are you
Set
doing?
more traps.
No, I saw you do it.
What is this?
What are you doing? You're supposed to spray the trap liquid on it.
Guys, you're ready to spray this trap. Remember, guys.
Well, the
it's
most
key importance. Don't get too carried away.
The most
One or two
important
sprays.
step. You have to get this.
Don't get too carried away. Just one or two sprays, and you're good. That should suffice.
Okay, we should be good now.
Wait.
Okay,
So,
no. We wait here. He's there.
Zeke, wait. Zeke, don't go over there.
oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, what? I think I'm supposed to be catching this, but I really don't want to go over there. I can't see them. Maybe I see them. I can't see them. I think he's over there though, so. Gosh. What is going on?
He's been left ankle.
His cankles? What?
No cankles!
Save your child.
Goodbye. True love.
I will leave you.
True brotherly love.
The parkour outfit.
Take off your hat,
Oh man.
your goggles, for may he rest in peace. I wish I could not see his face one last more time, but I can't because I'm flying. This is day 27 on the hunt for Karl the chicken wolf. He killed Zeke and he killed Gabe. The hunt continues. Day 69. Day 69 of the hunt. No luck. In memory of Zeke, I'm wearing his beloved backpack. All his treasures are in this. His cankless body. All his beloved treasures. So I'd say we're gonna head northeast at a horizontal line, cut left, and go in kind of like a diagonal, like 69-degree angle. And do you hear that?
Oh my gosh, what the heck? I literally don't see anything. I must be blind, okay? Why won't the camera clear up? What the heck? I can't see. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. What is going on? So I think the camera's fogged up, okay? What the heck? Oh my gosh.
My left hope.
Is that?
It's okay. He's afraid of flashlights.
Oh. I really wish I Oh, Dad! Are you okay? I must get it and save his life. I'll be back. Oh no! I'm gonna revive his body. Revive! Get up now. Magic. Come on. Hurry up. It's not like you were dead.
I've been seeing you, boys.
Clear my goggles. Karl!
Is that him?
You take us so silly,
So I found Doug's old glove. Really sad right now. I'm the only one left, so yeah, I don't know what to do. I guess it's time to head back to civilization, even though we're already there. Go home. I've been here for a year, so I don't know. What?
I am the miraculous ghost of Doug. Here to retrieve my goggles and my gloves.
They're over there.
Even in death, I cannot see because I'm blind. You must correct me.
What the heck? Okay, they're like.
You have to run. The Karl the chicken wolf is coming. Run, you idiot! Run! There's one! Run! You have to run!
No, you're dead.